how to download and log in to Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and log in to Snapchat on your phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Google Play Store, and now here once you're inside the Play Store, you can simply search for the Snapchat. And now here, once you've found the Snapchat, you can just tap on install, and after that you can just wait for the app to download. So here, as you can see, I have already installed the app. So here, once you have done installing your app, what you can do is you can just open the Snapchat app. And now here, once you're inside the Snapchat app, you'll be prompted to the login screen. So there, on the login screen, what you can do is you can just enter your username and password, and here once you're done with it, you can just tap on login button. And with that, Snapchat may send a verification code to your phone number or email. So there you can just enter the code to confirm your login. And here, once you do that, you'll be logged in to your Snapchat account. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.